Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I will show you how to download previous year question papers. Okay, so I will show you two different tricks about it. Okay, so that you will be able to download the previous year question paper. And all of you know that like Get humanities and social science paper. Okay, so it was the first time in the GATE history that this paper, humanities and social science, okay, so this paper was introduced for the first time in GATE history, and that is about in uh, GATE 2021. Okay, so guys, let's start. I think you can see you are able to see my laptop interface and cursor also. This is the home page of GATE 2022. Okay, the organizing institute is, all of you know that, the first IIT of our country and the one of the finest institute in the country as well as in the world. So IIT Kharagpur. Okay, so and it is the largest institute, largest campus in Asia. Okay, you will be happy to hear this information that the largest campus of Asia is in India. Okay, and that is IIT Kharagpur campus. Okay, so guys, let's start. So here you can see this download information, previous year question, old question paper. So you can, I think you are able to see my laptop interface and cursor also. So you have to select this old question papers, okay, of previous years. So just you have to select the year. So it was the first time that Get Humanities and Social Science paper was introduced in 2021. So you have to select this. Okay, so you will be able to see that. Okay, so this, just you have to click on this, you will be able to see. But one information I want to tell you that uh, in this paper, okay, all papers are combined. Okay, all papers are combined. Okay, all papers are combined. Just wait, already it is started, and total like data is 43.7 MB. It means that all papers like sociology, psychology, economics, English, okay, linguistics, all papers are combined in a particular PDF. Okay, so I'll show you everything. Okay, wait for a moment. Okay, so download is complete. So now I'll open this and I will show you another way how you can download the specific paper. Okay, so I think you are able to see this. Okay, so look, one second, just I want to minimize this. Okay, now you can see this. Okay, so total page number, you can easily observe this. Okay, you can see this 247 pages are there in this PDF file. Okay, so all papers are included. Okay, so this is for economics. Okay, so look, so economics, and one more important information is that after one paper, okay, you will be able to get the answer sheet, this. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, you will be able to get this answer key. Okay, just you have to check this carefully. Okay, and after that you'll be able to see that another paper, that is English. Okay, so general paper is same, like general aptitude is will be same. So after this you'll be able to see another question paper after English. So it is also English, yes. So wait for a moment, I will show you another tricks how to download another paper. Okay, just wait for a moment. Okay, all 6 compulsory papers are there in this PDF file. Okay, so I will show you one more important and interesting information. Wait for a moment. This. So you can see this. Okay, next paper is coming. So that is linguistics. So thus you can get all 6 compulsory papers. Suppose you want to get only the paper like economics, if you want to get the paper sociology, so how you will get that, I will tell you. And one more important information, I will give the link how to, like, I will give the link for download, okay, in the description box, and you should go to the description box of this video and you will be able to download. Just by clicking on that link. Okay, so now I'll show you how to download another process. Okay, so just click on Get 2021. So it was like Get 2022, it is another website, it was previous website. Okay, just you have to go to this section, IIT Bombay. Okay, this page, just click on this and just go to the notice section and you will be able to see this. Okay, so Get 2022 will appear, but what you have to do, just you have to click on this, just you will be able to see this. I think, are you able to? Okay, so just click on this. Okay, you will be able to see this interface. Wait for a moment. Yes, this was like this was previous homepage of Get 2021 exam. So you can see this, all notifications are there. Okay, so look, Get 2021 question papers and final answer key. Okay, just click on this, you will get all the question paper, like all the engineering question papers and your question paper also. Look this, if you want to download like this question paper, this is the question paper and this is the answer key, just click on this, you will be able to download this paper. Okay, so this is the another way, this is the economics question paper. Okay, only you can see this, you can I think you will be able to see this, only 27 question paper. I think you are able to see my laptop interface and cursor also. This 27 question paper, this 27, this is the first page and total page number is 37. So thus you will be able to download, you have to click on this and it will be downloaded. And one more important information is that, so I want to show you this is the English paper, linguistics and philosophy, psychology and sociology. Suppose you want to download psychology question paper, just click on this. Okay, this is the psychology question paper. And one more important information I will show you. Suppose you want to get psychology answer key, this is the answer key. So this is the another way how you will be able to download the question paper and answer sheet, okay, of the previous year. Okay, so thank you, this is all about today. If you want to get like very good information about Get 2022, about humanities and social science, any question, any queries, if you have any queries, just you have to put or you have to send a mail to me. Okay, there is a in the description box you will get my email ID and you have to just put a mail. You can personally message me also in my WhatsApp number. Okay, I will send you when you will send an email to me. Okay, so guys, this is all about today. And one more important information. Okay, so many students, many talented students don't know about Get humanities and social science exam. So this is my request, Please share this information, please share this video with your friends. And one more request is that if you want to get each and every notification when I'll upload any video, and for that you have to press the bell icon, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram, Tata, bye bye from my side. Okay.